So I'm pulling up right here to a job site. This one's really nice. This one's actually concrete. We do already have the area where the fireplace is going to go with the concrete posts, rebar framed out, ready for pouring. And we have the electric going here, trenched out, the extension over here of the existing patio, framed out already. Stay tuned. We're ready for pour. In 18 by 20 with a concrete slab. We do offer brick pavers as well. And what we did, we wrapped the pillars with the Melville wall to match the fireplace there. There is going to be 2 wood boxes going on each side. They're right here. We haven't just assembled them yet. And this is the coping that will be going on the top part of the structure right there. And there's a wood box going here, and another one over there. And there's a fan going up there too, can lights, switches, light switches. And we will be installing a TV mount and a TV going in here. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Now that patio right there was existing already, and all we did was an extension over there. This is what we do and what we offer with my company. Well, me and my dad's company, our family's company. I know a lot of people have been asking me about this Bobcat, how I like it. We love it. We like it. It's got the Bluetooth, the rear camera. This thing is strong. So far we've been putting it to use. But this is one of the projects that we have going on here in Plainfield, Illinois. And let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that's one of the jobs that we have going on right now. We have another decent one going up in Naperville. I'll show you guys that one once we get, started with that one. The other one's gonna be nice. It's gonna have a TV wall mount. It's also gonna have a gazebo, the fan, lights, and everything as well. But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what we do too, and not just the truck stuff. I enjoy doing the hardscape, the landscape stuff. So let me know if you guys like having both, both things into one vlog. All right, so today we're in Naperville, starting the demo. As you guys can see, the guys there taking up all the old pavers out. We are also installing a gazebo, and as you can see, the TV mount right here, or the TV wall.